How beneficial is 3D printing? 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process where products are built on a layer-by-layer basis. This allows you to load a file and replicate shapes that are not manufactured through traditional methods. 3D printing has many advantages, one being it will help reduce material waste, as between 95 to 98% of waste material can be recycled in 3D printing, and around 40% of waste material during metal applications is reduced via 3D printing compared to machining. Firms would be capable of printing a huge range of products without retooling, and each printing could be customized without additional cost. This would massively reduce costs and increase the versatility of a nation's economy. The production of products could begin to be deglobalized as production is brought back to the consumer, and manufacturing would be pulled away from the manufacturing platforms and back to consumer countries, reducing economic trade imbalances. Along with its economic and environmental impact, the 3D printer is helping create breakthrough in science and healthcare. New tests and reviews of new medical applications for 3D printing have been created in recent years for blood vessels and vascular networks, corneas, bones, and even prosthetic limbs. A prime example of this is Unlimited, a team from Swansea who customized prosthetic limbs for children from a 3D printer in a garden shed at their house. The massive downside of 3D printing is its increased automation of production, which, although is great for company profits, is bad for employability. A survey of 624 firms taken by Tech Pro Research found that 60% of firms are already thinking or already using 3D printing. If all these companies shift towards more automation, jobs could suffer. Printing can be done at home to create almost anything, and the infringements on copyrights, design protections, trademarks and patents will become a legal minefield. People may unknowingly or unintentionally be open to legal action over the production of goods, even if they don't intend to sell them. The other huge implication of 3D printing is the production of firearms. We have already seen the creation of the Liberator, a plastic handgun. There is a fear that homemade weapons could undermine gun laws and give people such as terrorists and criminals access to deadly weapons. There is also an argument that 3D printing at this current time will have little effect on homemade gun creation. This is because there is even simpler handguns referred to as zip guns. Zip guns are cheap to make, require little expertise, and are quite lethal. In my opinion, 3D printing is going to be hugely beneficial in terms of medicine and cheaper goods to many people, but at the same time will shake up world economies and if handled poorly could cause huge job losses. Besides this, the fear of gun control and the legality shake-up, I see 3D printing as the spearhead for a manufacturing revolution.